Hello everyone, my name is Katie and I'm here to show you a class practical that you could do in the classroom. And this one is called the appearing cross method or the disappearing colour method. And it utilises the reaction between sodium thiosulfate and iron nitrate, which occurs through a deep purple complex. So very similar to the disappearing cross method. However, as the purple complex goes colourless, we will see the cross on a piece of paper appear rather than disappear. So I'm going to go ahead and add my sodium thiosulfate to my conical flask and then add my iron nitrate. Students can of course do this in pairs to facilitate adding this and starting a stop clock at the same time. And students should continue to watch from above the flask for the cross to appear. Now this has a very direct link to rates of reaction and investigating the effect of catalysts on a rate of reaction, as students can use copper, cobalt and iron ions to catalyse this reaction. So they can record the time taken for the cross to appear in each case and evaluate the effectiveness of each catalyst. This of course has a link to activation energy and to chemical changes and the effect of a catalyst on the rate of a reaction. If pre-planned, this experiment can be planned so that the cross appears in a very specific set time. And it can also be an exciting challenge for students to experiment with different concentrations and see if they can get the experiment to happen in a specific amount of time. Other questions to ask students are, why are we using dilute concentrations? So all of these are 0.1 molar, so why are we using those? Why do we see colour changes in chemical reactions? So that links directly to chemical changes. How does a catalyst speed up the rate of a reaction? Why might we want to speed up the rate of a reaction? Could we slow this reaction down? How might we do that? And if possible, this reaction could also practical could also be done linked to a light sensor and a data logger, and we could plot a graph to see the colour change that way and evaluate the slope, which would tell us the rate of the reaction. So lots of open discussion as well as analysis that can be done with this practical. I hope you enjoy doing this and thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.